We're about to react to Hotboi. This song called Rain. Um, Shot by Smiley Productions. Congratulations to Smiley. You know, she just got engaged. And yeah, let's get straight to the video. It's a minute and 53 seconds, so this is gonna be a short one.
It's Hotboi.
I love this beat. That Payroll Giovanni rapped off that. It's called Hustler Music Part 1, 2, and 3. I don't know if he did a Part 4. But yeah, Hustler Music 1, 2, 1 through 3.
Hey.
P Child, you know, classic rapper of my city. He had the I'm a Goonie, I'm a Stunner song that was going crazy. I remember being a teenager listening to that. He shouting out a bunch of Merle and Selby legends, man. For real. I hung around Mike a few times, and he was a real cool dude. He had real good vibes and real good energy, always smiling and laughing. I got a lot of family from Merle, so I know a lot of Merle people. I'm not from Merle though, but you know, I got a lot of cousins that's from Merle, so I get a lot of love out of Merle, man. Shout out to Merle, man. That changed so hard.
Let's get to it though.
I think I just saw my cousin. Hold on, that's my cousin right there. Remember how I just told you I got cousins from Merle? That's my cousin right there. That's Corleone Gutter, man. He another classic rapper in my city, man. Shout out to my big cousin. Hey, man. That was Hotboi with Rain. I fuck with this song, man. He was just speaking about the pain he done been through and what he got going on, and you know, the shit that everybody can relate to, man. Everybody can relate to ups and downs, man. That's the beauty about life, man. You have ups and you have downs, but things always get better no matter what. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this video. If Hotboi make any more music and he want me to review it, I'll do that shit. Just tell him to hit me up. Shout out to Hotboi.